I smell a dog, bro. And my dog. Our birthday.
Before. He never met a girl like you with a face like yours before. Now he in love with a fat girl.
What's up, gang? So I'm in the garage right now. As you guys can tell by the title of what I'm doing today, I am about to prank Prissy again. Today I'm playing my game, but I'm being knowing her. Before I get in this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, be notified, give this video a thumbs up. Go check out Epic Empire, links in the description below. But yeah, let's get into this video. I'm gonna start like knowing her, act like I don't hear nothing she's saying or paying attention to nothing she's saying, but let's get into it. Okay. Alright y'all, it's go time. Let me set y'all up. I might have to shut it down and come back to it.
I'll tell you what's beautiful. This monster on my wall stuffed.
Oh no. There can be no stuffing. This is a live creature full of courage and life.
Nobody should believe me. Let me get a camera.
Oh,
Just hold it.
hear the water.
Hey, hold it.
Oh, it's my favorite. I love this movie. It's such a childhood classic. Do you like this movie?
Well, this is crazy. Now I'm about to wait till y'all done. Till y'all done.
Babe, you remember this movie? Have you ever watched this movie before? Babe. It's my part.
Too bad I can't watch y'all play.
Babe.
What y'all playing? I know that. Which kind of match is it?
Babe, you ever seen this movie? Les. Anyways.
I'm in the chat.
I wish I had these on DVD. Because I can't stand these commercials. Go away, commercials. Sugar, why you come over here for? You better not be farting, you little stank self. Babe, you ever seen these movies before? Grumpy old me. Grumpy. I can't stand that game. Just. Whew.
Okay, I'm pushing.
You sleep. Lucky bastard. Hey, it ain't my fault. Chuck was a friend of mine, too. You don't fix up a friend, you bastard. Hey, watch your
Babe, what y'all playing? But you playing with Lee and Cam? Lad, you playing with Lee and Cam? Help. I know this. Okay. I don't know why they created these games and then y'all get stuck in them. Now I'm sitting over here asking you a question and you can't even answer. Do you even hear me? Ooh, so stupid. Oh, okay. Well, you can hear now? You playing with Leah now? You owe taxes. Wait, the IRS used to come to people's house back then? Oh, it's a cardinal back there. Oh, it's just staring. Bless. That's a cardinal. It's pretty. It's just. I want to take a picture. Dang, it just flew away right when I was about to take a picture. That's our state bird in North Carolina. Oh, my jaw is on fire today. Oh, Jesus, take the pain away.
Put a little in there. What are you talking about, too?
Babe, babe, you hear me?
I'm just saying, I heard everything. I'm just saying.
No, you don't hear me, though. Ooh.
He could. If I was in it. Yeah. But I'm not.
Legs.
Pause. Oh, y'all done?
Legs, but who you playing? I was trying to ask you ever seen Grumpy Old Man before.
Hold on, I gotta join. I don't know.
You ain't never seen. Lads, you playing with Leah now? Hello?
Hold on, don't start the game yet. Alright, let me go do something real fast. Alright, it's fine. I'll wait.
What you playing? I'm saying you can't.
Okay. Listen.
Yes. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Rayshaun.
What?
What you doing? I was asking you, did you see this movie before? Hello? Okay.
Damn. Where you at, Lee?
If I punch you in your eyes, then what's gonna happen then? I'm gonna be mean, right?
That was me.
Did you see that little baby eat that food with her little stomach?
Mm-hmm. That was cute.
I'm trying to.
Because it was cute.
Oh, okay. Yeah, very cute. Something that kids do, huh?
I mean, you a DJ? Just be a DJ. Just be rubbing his shit on his stomach.
For real?
But we have to clean it up.
Bro, they made me pick up a handgun.
Yeah, like you used to be in your high chair and your food, you'll spill your food over and you just be rubbing it back and forth on the table.
Oh, yeah. I guess all kids do that, huh?
Yeah.
But that baby was just rubbing it like it was lotion.
Yeah. Because it got on his little fat ass mouth.
His stomach was big on it. I'm like, dang. Your parents feed you good.
I love it. I think his little belly is
It was tight. It was like somebody injected it with a whole bunch of water.
And then, oh, he got the Down syndrome.
That's what I said too.
Oh, yeah, he do. He's so sweet, though.
Yeah, little baby.
Fuck, you got behind. Pause.
I saw Cigarette Sean. Cigarette Sean just
Change it, bro.
his headphones on. He don't hear nothing that's going on in the house. I done said his name 5 times. He don't even hear me. Look at him over there living his best life.
Let me see. I don't see him.
Right there.
What do you have in his hand?
The headphones.
A gun?
Huh?
In his hand. Does he play the game with a gun?
No, that's just a controller. We got a little portable TV. Look, the sugar right there.
Are you gonna play with him?
Mom, I don't play games. I just don't understand how they get so stuck in them like that. He
I
can't.
mean, it's on the TV. You watching it on the TV?
No, I'm watching Grumpy Old
I
Man.
don't
on
even
TV.
see you up.
I love the grumpier old man coming on it. I was trying to ask Ray. That's why I was trying to ask Rayshaun, if he ever seen this movie before.
Bro, this is a
I know he's seen
fast
Gone Fishing. I didn't know if he's seen Grumpy Old Man or not. I mean, he can't.
You watching the same thing, sweeties.
He can't hear nothing. I just don't know. I gotta go over there and punch him in the eye.
To who?
Les. Ooh. Les. Do you hear me, Dave?
Damn. But we swing win, so it don't matter.
Les, I know you lying right now. I know. Okay. Sugar. You know you lying right. Well, that's a spider. Rayshaun's a spider. It's a spider right here. It's a spider. No. Can you kill it? Girl, I can touch it. I'm gonna throw this bottle at you.
Who got 50 kills?
No, don't. Hello. Yes, what are y'all playing? You in there with Lee? Hey, Lee. Hey, Cam. Pull up today.
Damn, I'm fucking dying.
I'm about to close this game. Les, I'm trying to ask you if you ever watched this movie before.
I smell a dog, bro. And my dog. Her breath stink.
Les.
Oh, I see you, Lee.
Babe, I finally did a big bird. Babe. Shut up, sugar. Why you always gotta mess up everything? Just hush. Les, I'm trying to ask you a question. Hello? You say you only got 2 minutes remaining. You only got 53 seconds. You can talk. You ain't even winning. Do Lee hear me? I don't like this game.
Damn! The fuck is that in the air? I'm trying to go to the box. This thing.
That is a pretty scenery. Look, babe. Okay, you don't. I don't want to sit by him no way. You just sit. You enjoy Rayshaun to yourself. You don't want me to sit by him? No problem. Even though he's my husband, and I can sit beside him if I want to. Little dog. I can sit beside him.
Man, we got it done, though.
Les, you ever seen this movie?
True. You know.
Your watch vibrating. Glasses watch is vibrating.
you had to throw that in, huh?
Last year.
Alright then, don't press start.
Les, this watch is vibrating.
Alright,
Wait, how did this watch come apart?
I left out the lobby. Hold on, me join how?
Les, I don't like that game. You can't even answer one little
Alright,
question.
I'll be back.
No, Les, you hear me? Les.
Alright, y'all. As y'all can tell, I've been ignoring her for a while. And she didn't even know it. Look at her face.
Les, I don't think this is really funny at all. Because I was really trying to ask you a question about the show.
What was
I was
it?
wondering if you ever seen Grumpy Old Man before?
Yes, I've seen Grumpy Old Man.
Why are you playing?
How am I playing?
No, you really do be playing the game and ignoring me like that for real though. That's the thing. That's why I don't like that game.
It's so dark.
It's unnecessary.
It is not unnecessary.
I don't like that, Rayshaun. Cause and there was a spider over there that could have bit me. You ain't even helped me.
Oh, spider over there.
Yes, I promised you I killed this on the wall. You gotta go get it.
What kind of spider was it?
Daddy long leg.
And
it could have bit me.
the most friendliest snake thing out there.
Okay. Anyways.
But you like my friend?
No. Because you do it to me anyway. And that's the sad part. It's
don't.
It's not even a real prank because you really do it to me.
I don't know her, y'all. She's lying.
Yes, he do. He'll be sitting over there, and anybody, man, that play a game, y'all already know. Especially when they got them headphones on, they can't even hear nothing.
I heard everything you said. First
So
of
why
all,
you ain't say okay?
because it was a prank.
Boy, bye.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, be notified.
Yeah, you need to
Give
do
this
that.
video a thumbs up. Check out the Epic Empire. Links in the description below. Until next time, gang, gang, gang.